When I was supposed to wear the dress, it didn't arrive on time.
पासपोर्ट नहीं था मेरे पास.
They had lost our bags.
ये सारा सामान कस्टम वालों ने बाहर निकलवा दिया हमारा. पासपोर्ट नहीं था मेरे पास और हम बनवाने जाते थे तो मुझ पे केसेस वेसेस थे, तो उसके सिलसिले में कभी एनओसी नहीं मिलती थी किसी केस की, कभी पासपोर्ट ही नहीं निकलता था. इस बार सब हुआ, लेकिन हर चीज़ एक दिन पहले. जैसे कल मैंने बताया ना, वीज़ा सुबह ही लग गया एक ही दम से, सडनली कि वीज़ा आ गया. भागो चलो पासपोर्ट लेके आते हैं, चलेंगे. फिर तुरंत रात की फ्लाइट कराई कि फिर हमने अनाउंस किया कि चलो अब हमें है कि हम जा रहे हैं.
So I landed and they had lost our bags, which was something that we were, as the French would say, we had a panic attack. But my team was amazing. They ran out, they got new products, they got new hair products, makeup products. I did fittings here. I got a new gown. I got new stuff. Luckily, I had carried the real jewelry that I had brought from India in my bag. So that was with me. And it was insane.
When I was supposed to wear the dress, it didn't arrive on time. They were like, हम 2 घंटे बाद देंगे. And I'm like, 2 घंटे बाद कैसे दे सकते हो? मतलब it was so chaos and I was panicking. 4 घंटे पहले तक मेरा outfit final नहीं था. I tried the dress. We had to literally like stitch after I wore the dress, and it was a struggle altogether. You can just literally see like the kind of relief I'm having right now while just narrating the entire episode is crazy.
नीज एयरपोर्ट पे सारा सामान कस्टम वालों ने बाहर निकलवा दिया हमारा, तो कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा. शायद उनका बोतल का जो लिक्विड बोतल होती है उसकी कोई कैपेसिटी होती है, शायद 150 ml या 120 ml से ऊपर नहीं लेके जाने देते. देखिए सब कर लिया, वैक्स ले आए और हमने यहाँ से एक बॉटल खरीद लिया और सीजर नहीं मिली, हमने इनके किचन से चाकू ले लिया, तो जुगाड़ कर लिया सारा.
जो सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल होता है मुझे पर्सनली इज़ ओनली हील्स, बिकॉज you know, like heels, come on, I mean, just heels are never comfortable. You just have to wear it, and because it looks graceful, it looks nice, and you know, the kind of gowns and the dresses you wear, heels are like necessary. तो मेरे पैर तो almost छिल चुके हैं. I'm not kidding, but you have to do what you have to do, right?
So the funny thing is that before I got onto the red carpet, I was so nervous because I am representing India at the end of the day, right? And I was like, you know how when you feel like your heart is in your mouth? That was me. My heart was beating really fast. But the funny thing was, as soon as I stepped on the red carpet, I was zen. I was so calm. It was the strangest thing ever. They were playing really loud music and I felt like I was on a runway, and I felt that this was a performance, a live performance, and I thoroughly enjoyed myself. I remember getting off the red carpet and I looked at my stylist and I'm like, that was short. And he's like, you've been there for 15 minutes. And I was like, what? So it was crazy.